Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Anyị ga-eme pronouns today. This is nnọchiaha. Nnọchiaha in Igbo. Pronouns help you expand your vocabulary. You can make more sentences because you can just switch nouns to pronouns. Or mo. And let's make an example. I am coming. Na-abịa. Na-abịa. Give me, nyem. Give me, nyem. I and my husband went. Mụ na di m jere. Mụ na di m jere. Okay, so most times we use the one letter one. However, the more comes to play, especially when we are saying things like I and this person did something, because it helps the sentence flow better. I could have said na di m jere. It will still be correct, but mụ na di m jere makes the sentence flow better. Mụ. Okay? If you want to say you, there are two ways to say it. You can either say I or gi. The difference between the two is that I is usually the subject, while gi is usually the object of a sentence. Notice that I said usually. This means that sometimes, even though that gi is usually the object, it can be the subject. Let's give examples. Are you coming? Ị na-abịa? Ị na-abịa? I, subject. Gị kwanu? And you? So this question is usually a reply to something like, let's say we are greeting each other and you ask me, how are you? I say, fine. Then I might turn back and say, how about you? Or and you? So you can simply say, Gị kwanu? Na-akpọ gị. So we already know that I is m. You here, being the object, is gị. I am calling you. Na-akpọ gị. Let's say, once say mom is calling you. Mma na-akpọ gị. Mma na-akpọ gị. Okay? She, he, or it. There are two ways to say this. It can be that or o. Okay? Depending on vowel harmony. She's coming. Ọ na-abịa. Ọ na-abịa. She went. O jere. O jere. Okay? So vowel harmony has to do with the verbs. So here the pronoun kind of matches the vowels in the verbs. You will understand more when we do verbs, or if you already know it, then that's fine. O, that's the pronoun for he, she, or it. We don't have separate masculine or feminine pronouns. So, ọ na-abịa can be he is coming. O jere can also be he went. Same for it is coming or it went. Like it went away. Okay? Maybe the rain went away. Him, her, or it bụ ya. Ya. Example, give him, nye ya. Nye ya. Okay? And usually, this will be the object. Usually again. Okay? Give him, nye ya. We or us. Anyị. Anyị. Anyị na-abịa. We are coming. Nye anyị, give us. We are coming. Anyị na-abịa. Nye anyị, give us. They or them is ha. Ha na-abịa. Ha na-abịa. They are coming. Nye ha, give them. Ha na-abịa. They are coming. Nye ha, give them. You plural is unu. So when I'm talking to more than one of you, unu. Unu na-abịa. You all are coming. Unu na-abịa. I will give you. Again, you're more than one. M ga-enye unu. I will give you. M ga-enye unu. Daalụ o, daalụ. So use this in your sentences to help you make even more sentences. Okay, I have used Godson Echebima's textbook of Igbo grammar to prepare this lesson. EnglishGrammarRevolution.com has also helped me in categorizing the pronouns. Daalụ o. If you want online Igbo lessons, join us in the bootcamp. In the bootcamp, we have group coaching sessions where we focus on you speaking Igbo. Okay, daalụ o, ngwanụ. To get in the bootcamp, visit igbostudy.com/group-coaching. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Ka ọ dị o, n'asụsụ Igbo.